Thanks for logging on to abc15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We are under an air quality alert today, and we're tracking hotter and dry conditions for the Phoenix area once again. We will see some storms in parts of our state, though, primarily the higher terrain. We've got an area of low pressure spinning out to our west. That's been bringing in some drier air, so that really is going to limit our storm threat to the Mogollon Rim, the White Mountains this afternoon. The valley starting out with some cloud cover. We even had a stray thunderstorm in the far northwest valley, moving up to near Lake Pleasant. But after that, we're going to see those clearing conditions with sunny skies this afternoon. And again, just some mountain storms. A hot day on tap as high pressure remains in control. Over the next few days, though, tracking changes as we keep watching that area of low pressure. High pressure sinks to the south, and then that area of low pressure will start to work its way towards northern Arizona. As it moves in on Thursday, it's going to bring some stronger winds, but also usher in some cooler air. So as you look at futurecasts, again, we're staying dry here in the valley today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, storm threat primarily in northern and northeastern Arizona. Going into Thursday, we could get a stray shower or thunderstorm early in the day. Chances of it happening for the valley pretty low, just a 10% chance. So we're not talking a big rainmaker here. The winds and the cooler air will likely be the bigger story. Those winds will also help with our air quality. Today, an ozone high pollution advisory is in effect as we see abundant sunshine, stagnant air with those lighter winds. But as those winds start to increase by the later half of the week, those ozone concentrations should drop back below unhealthy levels into the moderate range. Today, still hot at a high of 108 in Phoenix, near 107 at Lake Havasu, a high of 97 in Kingman, and we're talking highs in the 70s and 80s, even a few 90s sprinkled across that northern pocket of our state. Valley-wide, you'll notice well above average high temperatures. The 30-year average is 101. We're up closer to 108 in several valley cities today, including Phoenix. Tonight, though, we cool off again into the low 80s, so tomorrow morning should be fairly comfortable before another hot afternoon on Wednesday. 85 for a low here in Phoenix, 40s and 50s up along the Mogollon Rim. Look at the 7-day forecast. That cooler air will usher in as we bring in those stronger winds. You'll notice 108 today, but we're down to 100 on Thursday, and by Friday, Saturday, our highs in the upper 90s. That's it. Those morning temperatures, very comfortable. We're talking mid to upper 70s for highs as we head into the weekend.